here. First, grab a 15 cm square sheet of paper. Crease an X grid, also known as a water bomb base. Fold corner to corner. Fold edge to edge. Then collapse it into a small square. There's a center line. Fold the square edge to that middle line. Open it back up. Make a slit here, then flip the paper over. It should look like this. Flip it back again. Repeat the same steps on every side. When done, it looks like this. Take scissors and trim off the excess. Open it up. You now have an octagon. You can see every line is nice and clear. Next, lay it flat on the table. Fold the bottom corner upward. While folding, you will see 3 corners. Align each of those 3 corners with their own lines. Press it flat. Open it back up. Now do the exact same thing on every remaining edge. After 8 sides, it looks like this. Important, every crease has to be sharp and clear. Now flip to the back. Notice here at the bottom corner and also here there is a line. Pinch those 2 lines in. Then fold those 2 lines together. Match them up. Please. Make sure it is aligned and sharp. Open it back. Now repeat the same move on every side. The red lines you see are the creases we just made. Now connect those 2 red lines. Pull a new crease out. Do this on every edge. Now place the paper on its back. We will fold upward using the bottom edge we just pinched. Look at these 2 lines again. Flip to the left. Turn over. Press down. Keep doing the same on the remaining edges. See these 2 lines. Fold them over to the left. Hold it. Bottom edge. Then continue. Side by side. When you reach the back, you might find this part tough. At this point, we open the front part we already folded. Open it. Close. Keep going with the same moves. Flip over. Press down. Keep flipping. Then unfold the front again. Flip again. Now you will see these parts are folded but not yet gathered. We can open this area a little more. Then, using the creases we just made, push inside. Good. Good. Press it flat. Now it is gathered. Flip to the back again. Next we do another gather. See the center crease line. Fold the bottom edge up. Fold it to meet that center line. Press down. Lock that crease. Then every side is the same. Now we start the final gathering. From viewer feedback, this part is tricky. First fold up, then watch my thumb. Press the center, left, index and thumb hold here, flip, right and press, then lock. That is how this gather works. See clearly? Move to next petal. Right thumb on center, left thumb and finger. Pinch left side, flip right and press. Follow the crease we just made. Hold it. Press flat. Continue to next. Now the back is hard to talk through. We open the top part again. Keep going. Open a bit more. This area was already folded, but we loosened it. Now follow those creases and slowly restore the shape, pushing inside bit by bit. Just like this. Gathered again. Flip to the front, we will start shaping petals. Open half of it casually. Open a little, then pinch the next half and fold it upward inside. The petal stands up like this. Once it stands, press the spot firmly so it stays locked and will not loosen. Look at the side, we can connect this part here. Just like that. Press and crease so the line looks smooth. Do the same for the remaining 7 petals. Next we give the flower layers. First open here, you see a triangle, then change this dent to a bump and this bump to a dent, reversing the crease. See, petals now separate into 2 layers. After one, shape the rest however you like. Okay, once layered, we start final shaping. When shaping, try to round petal edges so lines flow smoothly. Fold a tiny corner first, then press slowly. Adjust. Just like this, little by little make it round. Fold bit by bit, do not overfold or it looks stiff. Burnish hard or it will lift. Jasmine has pointy and round tips. Choose your style. Outer petals need rounding too. Do it half by half, takes patience. Alright, shaped. Now we only need the tiny center petals. Take a 5 cm small square. This petal paper is about 1/3 the side length of the big petals. Crease an X again, corner to corner. Edge to edge. Oven. Fold bottom corner up. Still watch 3 spots. This line must line up with this line. And this middle corner must meet this line. Press the crease. Other 3 sides are identical. Flip to back. See bottom corner, center line, and the side line. Align those 2 lines and crease. Same as the octagon method we did earlier. Press clearly. And open. Remaining 3 sides same. Now it is finished. Flip back to front. Fold up along this square bottom edge. Then fold over this valley line. Press it down. Flip over. This valley line, keep folding. Open a little here. Press well. Flip again. Here, same line. Fold down. If it will not press, open the front part again. Press well. Then, same line. Fold down again. Now all folded, we fold it back up. Restore it. Okay, this side is done. The 4 petals can now be popped up. Open a little. Then using the previous folds, flip them up. Pull it up. Press. Same here. Pull it up. This part is loose. But no worry, we can press from the side. Pinch from the side. Let it tuck in a bit. Now it is tucked in. Forms a wrapped state. Then we can start shaping. Same as the big petals. Round the petal edges for smooth curves. Once the small petals are shaped, we glue them to the big flower. Just like this, glue the bottom and stick it on. And that is a finished jasmine flower.